So I've got my Craftsman DLT3000 here that I let somebody borrow while I tuned up their John Deere, and they called me up and they said something went wrong with the steering. So they temporarily fixed it and got it to work, but let me show you what happened here. So the tie rod here broke on both sides, and they used a piece of wire to kind of wire it back in place. So I'm gonna replace that. I get a new tie rod, and hopefully it'll be a real easy fix. Take the nut off the bottom here and slip the new one in place. So this is the other side, and you'll see that they wired this one up too. So I'm just gonna reach in here and cut their wire. Oh, look at that. So both sides just came right off. So the ball joint here just broke, wore out, whatever, on both sides. So we'll pop the new one in. So this is the new tie rod. You'll see that is the part that we're supposed to be putting the nut on. That's the broken one. And this is an aftermarket part, but you'll see it's the Husqvarna part 532171888. So basically an AYP part. So in order to get to this piece here, since there's no tie rod connected and the steering wheel is not connected, you just have to pivot this out like that. And then we got a 7/16 hex head up here, and I believe there's a 1/2 inch up there, so we'll just take this part off. Oh my. There we go. Alright, there's the busted part, and we can use the nut and washers for the new part. First we'll go on the other side and take it off there. Alright, so we got the old one out of the way, and just a matter of dropping the new one in place. Both sides. Oops. Maybe we'll put a nut on here first, and then we'll draw them together. Oh, there you go, that worked. So, put the nuts and washers back on, and we got steering back. Alright, we're back in business. Now, some of the lawnmowers have adjustable tie rods. This one does not. So, before you order this part, measure your old one and make sure you got the right one. Alright? Thanks for watching.